This is Tony with the Red Power Team. Today we're going to cover adjusting your pivoting spout on your flagship series combine. So we get the question off and on. I turn on my unload spout, my pivoting spout goes down, but I don't like the position that it's stopping at. I want to change that position. We're going to walk through adjusting that position on the combine. On your Pro 700 monitor, we're going to press our back button. We're going to go to Toolbox, and when we scroll all the way to the right, we see an option for unload. So we've got our spout operating point. We're going to press that button. And on there we see the far left is at 0. This would be the spout closest to you. And then 100% would be the spout facing away from you. We're currently set at 24. So if I turn my unload auger on, we're going to see that spout come down to that 24 position. If you decide that you want that spout out further as a starting point, what I would do is I would turn your unload system off. You can then adjust and say, no, I want either the spout to point further away from me, or I want it to actually hug and be closer to me. So in this instance, I want the spout to come closer to me when I turn the unload system on. I'm going to drop down to 9, press enter. I'm going to turn my unload system back on. Once I turn the unload system back on, you'll see that spout come even closer to you than it did the previous time. You can still make the adjustments right off your hand control, where you press and hold that shift button on the front side and the unload auger swing in and out as you're holding that shift button, and that will tip that spout also for you as you're dumping on the go. If you need to make further adjustments to the unload system spout position, just press that spout position. Maybe you're wanting to go a little bit further away from you to start shooting that grain out. We hit enter, and now our starting point would be at a 49 position. Turn your unload system on, and you'll notice that the spout will come down to a position shooting a little bit further away from you at that point. We hope this quick little video was helpful to you in getting your spout position set on your flagship series combine. For more helpful videos, check us out on the YouTube channel for Red Power Team, as well as our website, redpowerteam.com. Thank you.